Compliments of the season, dear audience, who are blessed to still be in the land of the living. With the enlightenment I got from several documentaries on God's wonderful nature and the incredible systems of balance He put in place, I took myself out to this very affordable, tranquil nature park at Lekki, Lagos, called LUFASI. Come with me as we journey into what the park has in store for us. Oh, wow, this place looks really serene and nice. Wow, it's just this air of freshness. Just reminds me of one of the documentaries I watched on the values of trees, okay, where they take out the carbon dioxide we breathe out, and give us oxygen. There's just this serene feel to this place. Wow. At this point, I am making my way to a practical educative spot where I met a vibrant artist. Okay, this is really interesting. What do we have here? Who is this good-looking guy here, man? I greet you, sir. I'm Patrick. Please, what's your name, sir?
I'm Bolo Atife.
Okay, Bola Atufe.
Yeah.
Okay, so please, can you tell us what this is all about?
This is a sip and paint program.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'll be having my friends over.
Okay.
So this is just a sketch.
All right.
They'll be painting.
All right.
So once they come, they will apply their paint, then bring out the visual aspect of it all.
All right. Okay. That's really cool. So this is just the rough sketch. They'll be coming to paint it and add some more life and color to it. Pretty interesting. So it's clear that you did all these sketches, right?
Yeah.
Wow, interesting. Really interesting. Wow. That's so nice. Really cool. Very interesting way to engage. They are adults or students?
Adults. Also, I teach creative arts.
Okay.
Part-time, yeah, I teach creative arts part-time, so I work with children as well.
All right.
Recently, I just did a teenagers edition.
Okay.
Yeah, so this sip and paint program.
It's very cool. I've never seen this kind of concept from an artist before. I'm seriously, and I heard something from one very popular artist, very popular world artist, where he said that every child is creative. It's just that most times they get to kill their creativity as they grow. So this is really cool to know that adults will come and paint. Really cool.
Everyone is an artist.
Yeah.
Yes, everyone is an artist, like I say, and art is life.
Yes.
Art is life.
Honestly, see everywhere now. See the beauty. I beg. So my guy, please, do you have a social handle that we can just check out your work?
Okay, on Instagram,
Okay.
Bolo Atife Arts. Bolo Atife _arts.
Okay, Bolo Atife _arts. Okay.
But the L in the Bolo Atife is number 1.
Okay, is number 1.
Yes,
Okay.
the L in the Bolo Atife and the Bolo is number 1.
Okay. Bolo Atife _art. ART.
Yes.
All right. We'll check it out. All right. God bless you. I'm Patrick again. All right. Thank you, sir. Thank you. I then made my way to the board games section and had a little feel of table tennis. Though, honestly, I have not been a good tennis player. Having walked a bit, viewing certain ponds, I made my way to the forest section of the park, and the effect was instant. My goodness, this feels... I've not breathed this freely like this before. As in the breathing experience is more deep and releasing than when you are in the hustle and bustle of city life, and transport and what have you. Honestly, these forests and trees play a magnificent role in just keeping us at peace. Really, really interesting. The soothing feeling reminded me of a footage I saw in one of the documentaries of high-rise buildings. Talk of blending urbanness with nature. I found my way towards a wooden crossing, hoping to see vultures as stipulated here. This stuff just feels like one game me and my elder brother used to play then on PS called Dino Crisis. Man, guys, I'm in good out to me search, I no fish out, searching for treasure. Who wants to be a millionaire now is no more popular. You can feel it for yourself. With some of the stated animals not in view, I kept walking through the inviting, tranquil forest, taking in the fresh air and keeping my eyes open. This is so interesting. So this is how some people that live in forest, this is how they reside. Really interesting. Just reminds me of some of the scenes when in the Chosen series where Jesus will go deep into the wilderness and just pitch his tent. Oh, more. Man, this scene is just so cool. Karade. The air is just incredible. This would be a good spot to just hold. Very refreshing and even, will I say, mind. I don't know how to say it, but mind engaging discussions with maybe your team. The air, oh man, it just help the thinking to flow, the engagement to be just right. These trees are, man, kai, nature is wonderful. Hey, I've seen several people just chill, walking with their lappy. Man, once in a while, this is a good place to just come, sit back with your laptop or reading material and just, man, just dig into your steez, man. The environment, the atmosphere is really serene.
Hello.
I then got to the point of meeting caged animals, and my wish for this monkey came to pass shortly after voicing it. Hey, I wish I had banana. I'll just give you one. Just give you guys food. Cool, man. Please, can you peeps tell me the name of this animal? It reminds me of that raccoon in Guardians of the Galaxy movie series. Wow. What do you think about it? Like, what do you think about the animal? Okay. But do you like it? Does it look beautiful to you?
Yes.
It does, Abby?
Yes.
I see the way the thing is panting like dog. Man. Kai. Omo. Kai. God create, oh. Goodness. This one is white somehow. Hi. They were thoughtful enough to portray a nice art exhibition of the Nativity of Jesus Christ to mark the season. Awesome. I watched a bit of football, after which I had one of my favorite experiences physically touching the caged animals. Omo, this one that they said is wild donkey. It is well. Donkey! Man, name him take leap of faith to just cool. Hi. Hi. Wow, this one really looks like Shrek. Shrek. Shrek donkey. Goodness. Cool. Hi. Hi. Wow. Before calling it a wrap, I made my way to the spot where Bolo Atife was again to see whether the adult students had arrived. And voila!
The same yellow when they dry. You don't need to dry it one more time. No, black, yeah? I'm coming. Favor, please give her black.
In summary, I will say that if you are seeking a serene, relaxing, and tranquil feeling and experience, if you are also a lover of nature, particularly trees and plants, LUFASI is a very good place to be at. God bless those who had and worked on the wisdom to set up such a nature conservation resort. Amen. So kindly subscribe, like, share, and click on the notification icon to get more interesting videos. And of course, check out the ICT related content we have in this channel. Thank you so much.